Hey everybody, my name is Michael and this is the Real Michael Berry channel. On this channel here, I talk about finances to help millennials develop their money-making skills. If you're new here, I want you to subscribe to the channel for future content and also follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already. In today's video, we'll be talking about some Forex trading and what to be cautious of. Now, I've done the research when it comes to Forex trading and I've seen all the pictures and I've even been led over to Instagram and I've noticed that they're selling you a lifestyle. Anytime I've seen that they have these fast cars, these nice houses, the nice clothes with a flashing cash in hand, you have to be very careful who you deal with online because they don't tell you the full story. Yes, it's money to be made. Yes, you can become very profitable, but one thing I've noticed is that there is no proven system when you put your money into the marketplace. I've even seen where they have these pyramid schemes where you have to pay money to get into the group, where if you do your research, all the information is online. If you take the time to learn it, all the information is there and you can learn to develop your skills. You can develop what your strategy is to not only make money, but to become very profitable in the process. Now, I've said all that to get to this point here. Forex trading is the real deal. You can make a lot of money if you know what you're doing, but it does take time to get to that point. You have to understand what your plan is. You have to develop that plan. You have to rework it if you need to. You have to understand and be very comfortable with what your risk level is because that decides when you need to get out of it. If you're new, it's like even more work because you have to develop that plan. You have to get to a point where you understand what your plan is and stick to it. Now, one thing I've noticed that they don't really talk about losing money and they rarely talk about or rather show that they're actually losing money at any point in time. Anytime you see online that people are always winning, they're always making money. And one thing you understand is that when you lose money, it gets very emotional. You want to try to get it back. You want to try to earn more, but you have to operate like it's a business. If you lose money, take your loss, move forward, stick to your plan. Don't get greedy. Don't try to get more. At that point, you're just gambling, and that's outside of what the plan should be. Anytime you enter the marketplace, one thing you have to be very sure on and understand is that you always have the potential to lose money. There are no proven systems. There's no way I can guarantee you 100% on returns, 95% on returns because the markets are unpredictable. This is also why you should also develop your plans. Understand what your principles are because you need to understand how to enter the market, how to exit the market, and how to hold or stay in place to make sure that you gain the most or minimize your loss on returns. Now, just because something looks easy don't mean that it is. You don't see the work that went into developing their skills, honing their craft to get to the point now to where it looks easy for them. There's money to be made in this business and you have to take the time to not only develop your skills, test your strategy to get to the point where you're not making money, but you're becoming very profitable in the long run that can change your life. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you're new here, I want you to subscribe to the channel for future content. I drop videos on a weekly basis and I want you to see what's coming up next.